I'm John from Pictorem, and this video is to help you understand how to transform your image into a mural print. Yes, we're going to talk about huge prints that'll cover your entire wall for an immersive experience. I'm going to talk about all the options you'll have, the requirements, and of course the installation process. So there's no actual limit to the size that you can have your print. Since your peel and stick wall mural will be arriving in sections, you can get any amount of strips that you need to make for a varied installation. Images for mural prints are processed at 150 dpi, which means we'll most likely have to upscale your image. Let's say for a 10-foot wall, you'll need at least 8,000 pixels wide to get some sharp details. With the new 40 megapixel cameras, this is easily achievable. Of course, this is all based on how sharp you actually need your image and how close you're going to be from your wall. If you need help figuring out if your image is large enough for a mural print, look into our DPI calculator and our image size analyzer on our website. We also put up the links below in this video so you can check out these tools if you like. At Pictorem, when it comes to printing, we take our work seriously. We take pride in offering the best possible results for your image. To make that happen, we don't make any compromises in our hardware, our material, and most importantly, our customer service. Every order is important to us, and we take the time to review every single image that comes in. We use state-of-the-art 10-color printers, which provides the best printing resolution and color range for mural prints, and we are proud to offer the most vibrant reproduction in the industry. As for material, we use a sturdy, repositionable peel and stick vinyl. It has a subtle matte linen texture that absorbs light and covers any imperfections on your wall. It's easy to install and is very forgiving. Now let's talk about installation. If you have a long wall, we suggest that you start from the center. This will ensure the straightest installation possible. Peel and stick wall mural can be installed on a wide variety of smooth surfaces such as gypsum board, wood, glass, metal, and some plastic panels. The surface has to be clean, smooth, dry, and free of moisture. Peel down about 6 inches from the top of your panel. To minimize any deformation, apply the wall mural with the least tension possible. And when you're removing the plastic paper, make sure not to remove too much at one time. Smooth out the wall mural by using the plastic scraper, which will be provided with your order, starting from the center and working your way towards the edges of the panel. As mentioned earlier, peel and stick wall mural is very forgiving. So if you've made a mistake, went a bit crooked, or see an air bubble, you can peel the mural back and reapply it with ease. And don't forget to apply good pressure to ensure adherence, especially towards the edges of the panel. Mural prints arrive in 50-inch sections, and each section has a ½ an inch with a guideline to help you with your installation. Once all these panels are installed, you can cut off the excess with a utility knife. With our image processing service and our state-of-the-art printing equipment and easy-to-install wall mural, we're convinced that we're able to turn your project into a reality. So I hope you found this useful. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.